A few years ago, I worked late shifts at a restaurant in Atlanta, Georgia. One night around midnight, I finally clocked out and started driving home. About halfway there, my phone suddenly buzzed with a new voicemail notification. What immediately scared me was the caller ID. It was my own number. I assumed it was some weird glitch, but when I played the message, my stomach dropped instantly. It was my voice, whispering, "Don't go home." Static crackled loudly in the background, while my voice continued, "If you see someone inside, run." Then the message ended. I pulled over immediately, completely confused. That's when my phone buzzed again. Another voicemail. Same caller ID, again, it was my voice. This time sounding terrified. It's pretending to be asleep upstairs. The message suddenly cut off with loud banging noises. Then silence. Every hair on my body stood up instantly. I tried calling my roommate, but he never answered. So against my better judgment, I drove home anyway. When I arrived, the apartment looked completely dark, normal, quiet. But the moment I stepped inside, I noticed something wrong immediately. The TV was on, soft static flickering across the screen. And from upstairs, I heard my roommate snoring loudly in his bedroom. At first I felt relieved. Maybe somebody was messing with me. Then my phone buzzed one last time. Another voicemail from my own number. I played it while standing at the bottom of the stairs and heard my own shaking voice whisper, "You came home right after that." The snoring upstairs stopped